So, you're thinking about ditching your traditional bank for the shiny new world of digital banking? And Monzo has caught your eye. Great choice. But before you dive headfirst into the world of app-based finances, let's talk about the nitty-gritty. What documents do you actually need to open a Monzo account? I know, it's not the most exciting topic, but trust me, it's essential. We're going to break it down, step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge to get your Monzo journey started smoothly. First things first, let's talk about why you might want a Monzo account. There's a good chance you've heard the buzzwords, fee-free spending, budgeting tools, instant notifications. But is it really all it's cracked up to be? Well, that's a conversation for another day. For now, let's focus on those pesky documents. Now, the exact documents you need can vary slightly depending on where you live. But fear not, we'll cover the most common requirements. So, grab a pen and paper, or just mentally prepare yourself for a quick information overload. Proof of identity. This one is pretty standard across the board. You'll need to verify who you are. Think of it like showing your passport at airport security, but for your bank account. Common documents include passport, driving license, national ID card. Now, a clear photo of the document is usually enough, but sometimes Monzo might ask for a physical copy. So, keep that in mind. Proof of address. This is where things can get a bit trickier. It's essentially proof that you live where you say you live. Here are some common options. Utility bill, gas, electricity, water. Bank statement. Council tax bill. The key here is that the document should be recent. We're talking about the last 3 months, usually. Additional documents. Depending on your circumstances, you might need to provide extra documents. For example, if you're a non-UK resident, you might need proof of your visa status. Or if you're self-employed, you might need to verify your income. It's also worth mentioning that Monzo, like many other financial institutions, has to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. This means they might need to verify your source of funds, especially for larger deposits. Now, let's talk about how to submit these documents. Most of the time, you can do it directly through the Monzo app. Just follow the prompts, take clear photos of your documents, and upload them. It's usually pretty straightforward. But what if you're having trouble? Well, don't panic. Monzo has a customer support team that can help you through the process. So, there you have it. A basic rundown of the documents you'll likely need to open a Monzo account. Remember, this is just a general guide. It's always best to check Monzo's official website or app for the most up-to-date information. And while we're on the topic of Monzo, there's a lot more to learn about this digital bank. We'll dive into features, fees, and overall user experience in future videos. So, make sure to subscribe if you want to stay in the loop. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.